Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today we got here another video from one of the most popular first-person shooter ever made, Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Today I would like to show you all of the wallbangs that you should know on map, the Inferno. So let's go for it. Okay, so first of all let's say that we are going towards the A side. Did you know that you can actually wallbang this wall at the library? So let's say that you expect that somebody is hiding at the corner in front of the library. So in this case you can simply wallbang this wall and voila, you can easily kill anybody that is hiding here. You can wallbang it with AWP, Desert Eagle, AK or even M4 I believe, but of course with AK or M4 you will need to shoot multiple times to kill this player, plus even more shots when you will aim towards the body. Nextly, be aware that you can deal some damage even through those boxes on the A side, but it's not some kind of huge massive damage, so it's really not worth it to like try to wallbang all of those boxes, only if you know that opponent should have like 10 HP or less. In this case you can try to wallbang it, otherwise just aim for the aim and try to win the clutch. Next, be aware that you can try to shoot those boxes to actually kill the player that is planting or defusing the bomb. Also be aware that you can wallbang this wall towards the graveyard, so if anybody is hiding there you can easily wallbang him with AWP or AK or even Desert Eagle. And this wall towards the pit is wallbangable as well, so if anybody is here and you know about him, you can pre-fire him easily. Same it is with this wall towards small pit, so if you know the position of opponent player you can easily wallbang him and one shot kill him with AWP. Be aware that also this wall towards the apartment is able to be wall banged or whatever. So when you know, so if you think that somebody is hiding there, you can simply try to pre-fire this wall and by this kill anybody that is hiding there. Nextly, of course, be aware that you can wallbang this wall towards the A side, so as somebody is hiding there and waiting for planting or defusing or whatever, you can simply come and wallbang it with Deagle, AK or even M4 and AWP. So as you are running towards A side, you can come here and just pre-fire this area. That means expect that somebody is staying on the box, that means from like this higher. Of course be aware that the wall is ending somewhere there, that means at the level of this shadow. So when you will aim to this level of the shadow, it's actually ending, so if you want to kill somebody or pre-fire anybody, aim a little bit to the right side from this edge, so like here, and you can try to actually pre-fire it to kill anybody that is hiding there at this position. As you could see with Deagle, he needed like 2 or 3 shots, not sure, but you know, not every time everybody will stay at the same position. That means of course I can't tell you 100% that you will aim on this position, one tap and you will kill somebody. No, because he can be more in the front, more at the back, and actually he can crouch, he can stand, you know, he can be at any of those positions. So you just have to come and try to wallbang this area. Nextly, be aware that you can also wallbang those pillars, so when you know that somebody is hiding behind, you can easily pre-fire them with the AWP. As you can see, it's not killing them on one shot, but when they are already like damaged or whatever, you can easily kill them by those shots. Plus, when you will add some nades, you can easily kill them on, like as you can see, 2 headshots with AWP. Through this wall, actually 1 headshot is enough. So it all depends on what angle is this pillar, because as you can see, when I will spawn bot here and I will just aim from here, it's 1 shot. But when you are aiming through the whole diameter of this pillar, you cannot actually kill him on 1 shot. That means when you are coming here and you know that he's hiding behind this pillar, try to make the angle better for you, or just simply shoot and try to kill him still. So as you could see, we also can wallbang this pillar to kill actually player that is hiding under the roof, and we can also wallbang the window in the apartments. So when you have info that somebody is boosted on the roof on the A short, you can simply come towards this window, simply try to spray towards the window, more like to the right side, and to actually kill anybody that is hiding there. In the worst case, at least he will have to change his position from the roof. Next, be aware that when you are at the apartments and you are defending, you can simply spray towards those walls and try to kill or at least damage anybody who is hiding behind those doors. That means here at the bottom of the stairs. In the apartments, also be aware that you can wallbang through those walls. So when you expect that somebody is behind this wall, you can simply try to spray through the wall and kill him. Next, let's say that you are a terrorist and it's start of the round. So as you are running here over the bridge, you can simply stop here and try to pre-fire this wall at the apartments, and by this actually at least damage, if not even kill, the player that is playing at the balcony position. Like this. Voila, easy kill. Nextly, be aware that this wall behind the stairs can be wallbanged as well, same as the wall towards the apartments, where you can easily one-shot the player when you will hit the headshot with the AWP, or even with the AK you can harm quite a big damage. Next wallbang I'm going to show you is quite unique, because it's really like a trick shot, let's call it. This wallbang is towards the banana player that is staying at the car. So for this, first of all, come to this corner at this fence, like here, crouch, and then you need of course AWP. Then you will scope towards this window, and as you can see here, this like wave out from shadow. I believe you cannot see it like too well, but yeah, here is a wave from the shadow. So from this wave towards the right, you will hit like the edge of the window and just shoot. Voila! Easy kill towards the player behind the car. And the banana be informed that you can deal quite a damage through the woods, but you cannot actually one-shot wallbang player through the woods. But you can easily kill player through this wood behind the car. So when you know that somebody is staying there, you can try to pre-fire it at any position, and by this kill the opponent player. You can also wallbang this wall, but with bestly with the AWP. As you can see, we can shoot here with Deagle and nothing much is happening. It not almost even coming from the second side. So when you will shoot here with the AWP, as you can see, quite an easy damage, and it was not even headshot. So if we would aim towards the headshot, it's going to be the one-shot kill. Voila, easy wallbang. Also, you can pre-fire through this wall towards the player at the corner. So as you are at the banana, you can easily aim down from this wall, and then you will pre-fire this position. And when there is anybody with the AWP or whatever else watching towards you, you can kill him simply by this wallbang. About sandbags, unfortunately you cannot wallbang them, so you can shoot through them, but as you can see, we are not dealing any damage. Even with AWP, the damage is just simply not there. You cannot kill players through the sandbags. But on the B side, there are really a lot of spots that you can actually wallbang. You can shoot through the second boxes on the B side. So when you know that somebody is hiding on the second side of those boxes, you can easily shoot through, but beware, don't shoot through those big pipes. Better use this like middle part of wood or whatever else. So when you know that somebody is hiding there, you can try to pre-fire it, and by this easily kill anybody on the second side. Of course, better gun deals more damage through this wallbang. That means for those wallbangs are AWPs the best, but if you know that opponent has like 1 HP, 10 HP, you can try it with Desert Eagle also. But as you can see, with AWP it's easy to hit shot. That means you are dealing more than 50 damage on those shots. Same, you can also wallbang through the squad. So when you are at the city and you know that somebody is hiding behind the oranges, you can simply shoot through again this gap, not towards the pipes, because as you can see, you can shoot even towards the head, but it's not dealing any damage. You need to aim to this middle part to actually kill somebody. And if you will be at a certain and good high, as you can see, you can easily kill him on one shot headshot. Nextly, be aware that you can even wallbang this fountain. That means that when somebody is hiding behind it and you have AWP, you can simply shoot towards him, and as you can see, you can kill him even through all this metal. Wow! Nextly, of course, be aware that you can wallbang through the coffins. That means when you know that somebody is at the coffins, you can shoot towards him and easily kill him with Desert Eagle, with AWP, with anything, by any few shots, like this, as you can see. And also when you are here at the ruins or on the barrels and you know that somebody is planting or defusing the bomb, you can easily spray those boxes and by this kill anybody at this position. Nextly, be aware that if you know that somebody is, for example, on the coffins, you can easily spray him down through the window. Also, when you know that somebody is boosted here on those boxes, you can try to kill him via this spray as well, or with the AWP. Maybe you didn't know, but you can also wallbang those barrels. So as somebody is staying here on this position, let's say that here, whatever, because I cannot make the bot crouch. That means when somebody is staying here at this position, you can try to pre-fire those barrels, and thanks this you can kill the opponent player easily on few shots. That means that at least once when you will hit him, he will be low HP or at least middle HP, and then it's easy job for your team to kill the opponent. Also be aware that you can shoot through this wall and through these coffins as well. So if you know that somebody is here at this position behind, or you can see just at the top of the head, you can simply shoot towards this position and voila, kill the opponent easily. Nextly, be informed that you cannot wallbang through this pilar. That means even you know that somebody is hiding behind it, it's not worth it to even shoot towards him through this wall, because as you can see, it's not dealing him any damage. But if you know that somebody is hiding here behind those barrels, you can try to actually shoot there, and by this wallbang and kill the player standing at this position, same as it was for the player hiding behind these barrels on the other side of the B side. Nextly, even it's a bit shocking, you can wallbang those big yellow boxes as well. So let's say that you have information that somebody is hiding at the dark, you can wallbang those boxes and thanks this actually try to kill anybody that is hiding at the back of the dark. But be aware that you have to aim towards this like gap between those boxes, because when you will aim just on those like big parts between, it's not like doing much. But when you will aim at the gap, easy kill. At the ruins, same as on the banana, you simply cannot wallbang those sandbags. At the mid, of course, be aware that you can wallbang this wall, so if anybody is hiding there, you can shoot towards him and kill him, or you can wallbang this wall as well. So when you know that somebody is underpass, or you just want to try to pre-fire him, easily come there, shoot, and you can be the lucky one and actually get the free kill. In the apartments, when you are chasing the last player, be aware that you can wallbang this wall as well. That means when you know that somebody is hiding behind this wall, at the kitchen for example, you can try easily to wallbang it, and by this to kill anybody that is in the kitchen. It's same for the actual balcony, so if you expect that somebody is here behind the corner waiting for you, you can try to spray this wall and actually kill him. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is all for this video. Really hope you found here what you came here for. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button. If you want to know about every new video, hit the subscribe and click on bell as well to be notified every time new video is online. You can also follow us on our socials, or for monthly fee by your choice, you can become member of Skiller Squad, what will support this channel in a huge way, and you will receive multiple perks as special reality badges, access to special members only community posts, and all of the members will be thanked to at the end of every new video. Okay, but now it's really all. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see ya at the next video. Goodbye.